Hi friends, welcome to Navneeth show. I am Navneeth
and Niveditha.
Today, two of us are going to show you two easy science experiments. So the first one is the water separation. So for that, we need some hot water and cold water and a piece of cardboard. Two colors. I have green right here and pink. So friends, I'm going to put the pink on the cold water and the green in the hot water. So let's carry some pink, some color out of it. It's a bit hard. Yeah. So friends, I've finished putting the pink color into the cold water. So let's mix it.
Yeah, it's like it's transforming in the color pink. So friends, it's so beautiful, no?
I'm done with the mixing the pink color
I'm gonna put the red
on the cup.
And hot water. Now we can put some green color. And now we're gonna put the mix it.
So friends, I've finished putting the green color on the hot water. So let's mix it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look guys, look.
The color is coming out. Let's mix it for a while. So I'm done with mixing the green color. So I'm going to spoon color too. So friends, you can see it's beautiful right now.
Yeah, it's so pretty, you know.
This is the cold water and this is the hot water. So friends, right now it's looking very beautiful.
Green and pink.
This is the cold water and this is the hot water. I'm going to use this piece of cardboard and place it on top of the hot water
and
turn it all over and place it on top of the cold water. So I'll just stand up right now.
Yeah, I'll just be sitting down watching. Let's see it, guys.
Now let's flip it over.
First, a little water come.
So place it on the top of the hot water, cold water I mean.
And we just take the cardboard out.
Then you just pull the cardboard slowly. Then the green color stays on the top and the pink color stays on the down. It's because the cold water is more denser than the hot water. You see they're now mixing together. This is the cold water and this is the hot water.
Pink and green.
Okay. So what is the second science experiment?
The second science experiment's name is jet bottle.
So
yeah. So we will need a bottle with its cover on top. Okay. And hand sanitizers or perfume, matchstick or lighter, chopsticks. Now let's begin. Now let's begin. So with the bottle, we have to make a hole on the top. So I've already done it. And now we have to take the hand sanitizer, open the lid, and put some in.
And swirl it around.
Swirl it. You have to put it all the way.
I think it's okay.
Yeah, this small sanitizer is a lot of stuff.
Okay.
So friends, now I'm gonna close it. Okay, close it. I'm gonna shake it.
Let's swirl it. Let's swirl it. Turn it all the way.
Dun. Now you're done with it.
So now we're gonna light.
First, let's do it in the floor. Yeah.
So friends, let's fire the bamboo stick and let's see if it works.
Yeah, let's do it. Navneeth, please, can you fire it? Okay, now we have to light a little slowly.
Let's light the bamboo stick slowly.
Yeah. You have to keep 1 meter. Or okay, now
and let's see if it works. Yes, friends.
This is what
it
it
works.
went there. Wow.
Friends, it works. So friends, let's light the bamboo stick and let's see if it works.
So yeah, let's Navneeth can light it. Okay. And we'll stay far a little. Okay. And get some fire. Right now, friends, I have get some wire. Now we just need to.
Yes, friends, it worked.
Friends, thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Get ready to watch our next video. It will be more fun and interesting. So bye friends.